Alright, this is my new exhaust system. It's a JIC Magic Type 2 with an oval muffler. It's full titanium muffler piping. It's an oval catback. The piping has a resonator in it. There's a deep growl you can hear in the cabin, but overall, it's pretty subtle for the performance gains you get out of it. I'll rev this up a little bit. And yes, I have a check engine light. It's because one of my O2 sensors stripped out of the old exhaust. So as you can see, it's not too loud in the cabin, but it's very nice outside. And that concludes this video.